BenQ's new interactive flat panel boasts the friendliest user interface and classroom-ready solutions that can ensure true collaborative learning. It is a 4K interactive display that comes in a wide range of sizes, endowing it with the ultimate flexibility to complement classrooms of different scales. BenQ ensures classrooms can embrace innovation without compromising students' health. As the spread of infection is common in classrooms, the BenQ IFP is empowered by a germ-resistant screen that can kill most bacteria and viruses on contact. Smart eye care technology protects students' young eyes, allowing them to freely explore and learn. With the embedded motion sensor, the IFP can automatically activate low blue light and flicker-free technology. The InstaQ-Share wireless solution is designed to unleash the power of bring your own device, allowing teachers and students to present their ideas with laptops, tablets, and smartphones. BenQ aims to create a collaborative environment where students feel open to discussion and brainstorming. The built-in EasyWrite 4.0 annotation app allows interactive learning to be achieved easier and faster. A single tap can turn the display into a whiteboard. With EasyWrite 4.0, teachers not only can illustrate ideas with the intelligent handwriting recognition technology, but also utilize the toolbox to encourage group participation. When class is over, annotated works can be easily saved and shared within seconds. By browsing BenQ's recommended app list, teachers can easily access the latest technology to keep learning innovative and fun. The IFP's user-friendly design empowers teachers to always stay in the flow. Apart from offering instant access to personal settings and folders through the Smart Account Management System, the IFP also features a hardware design that helps teachers deliver smooth presentations. Equipped with every port needed for teaching, the BenQ IFP allows teachers to enjoy the power of connectivity and guide students with the tools they prefer. When students are interacting with the display, teachers will be able to keep them safe online. With factory-installed display management software, the BenQ IFP ensures setup and management are absolutely hassle-free. The BenQ Interactive Flat Panel is your ultimate display for collaborative learning.